Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Lady. Friends, today in this video I gonna unbox and review Galaxy Sky Star Projector night light lamp, or you can also use this as a projector. So this is the box. Let me unbox this first. As you can see, the outer package, you'll get this product in assorted colors, and here goes my product. So guys, here all the instruction has been mentioned, and this product is made in China. With this product you will get an USB cable, and you can also light on the product using a three batteries, AA batteries, but the batteries is not included in this product. So let me remove this outer coverage. So guys, if I want to say about the price, you'll get this product for 699 rupees on Amazon, while 150 rand in Takealot, South Africa. So this is the upper layer. You can also fix this as a bed lamp, or if you remove the upper layer, you can project the stars over the wall. So down, as I said, you'll get 3 AAA batteries, but batteries are not included with this. So let me check with this product. Since now I don't have batteries, so I'm using with an USB cable. So let me connect to my charging port. So now I plugged into my socket. Let me on. So guys, as you can see, this is an closed projector, means you can use this as a bed lamp. Guys, you'll get with the 3 mode of light, that is A, B, C. A is the one, the night light, and if you press A again, the light will be off. And B is the monochrome light. Guys, let me tell you, this product projects 8 different mode of light. So B is the one where you can see a different lights, and C is the one where you can control of rotatory switch. Guys, if you don't know, let me tell you, it's also a 360-degree rotation Starry sky projector. Now I just close the lid and I just observing as an bed lamp. Now let me project. So let me on, and I am in a mode A, and you can see I pressed C and it is rotating now, and if you press B, you'll get with a different projector. Since it is a day now, the light of projecting is not so clear. Let me show in the next clip of night view. And as you can see, this product is preferable in kids room and in any birthdays or celebration. And this product material is plastic one. So in day mode only it's looking quite good, and the projection is so clear, and the best part is you'll get with the 8 different modes. And guys, the best part is it is a 360-degree rotation, and this is a night projecting view. I feel this product is definitely worth to buy, because it's only of 699 and below 500 also in some seasonal sale. So I think it's definitely worth to buy. Just try it out this, guys. If you guys wish to buy this product, I share the link in the description of both Amazon and takealot.com links. You can go and check it out. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.